Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the ETF trades not showing after purchase in the Invest engine. First, remember that the ETF orders may take some time to execute and settle depending on market conditions and the order type you selected. Next, go to the orders or transaction section in the app to check whether your order is listed as pending or processing or completed. If the order is still pending, it means that the trade has been placed but not yet executed in the market. You should also check whether the stock market is currently open. Since orders placed outside trading hours are usually processed during the next trading session. Then refresh the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Or log out and log back in to update your portfolio information. Head over to your app store or your Play Store. Go to the search for InvestEngine and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from your app store or your Play Store. Then, if your trade still does not appear after the expected processing time, contact InvestEngine support for assistance. That's how you fix the ETF trades not showing after purchase in InvestEngine. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides.